Hey, my name is Chuck. I own an SEO agency that specializes in search engine optimization and getting local businesses just like yours ranked to the top of Google in order to bring you more business. And I know you're in Mount Pleasant. I was actually doing a Google search in the Charleston area for Charleston tree service. That's the most popular keyword search term. And when you put that in, a map pack comes up. In the organic rankings, there's a couple of directories that come up first. Then you get into some of the companies. These you probably recognize as your competitors: Charleston Tree Company, Palmetto Tree Service. Anyway, if you're looking to get business in the Charleston area, and you probably know that 80% of all new searches choose one of the top 3 search results. So they're getting most of the new business, and so if you're a company that's looking to increase your business, you definitely want to be on this first page. It'll double or triple your revenues, and I'm not kidding. And you can get there fairly fast because a lot of folks do not know what they're doing with the SEO stuff. But anyway, I found you back on page 3, I think about midway down. Yeah, right here. So I went to your site. Looks really good. You know, like the pictures that change. These images, hopefully your web person put in the image alt tags to signal Google to help boost your ranks a little bit. But one of the first top 2 things that Google looks at in order to rank your site is, do they trust it? And the 2 things that go into trusting it, actually there's several things, but 2 of the top things is, 1, your metadata or title tag. Google looks at that to see and determine what your page is about. So we put your URL into our metadata extractor. This is your title tag that comes out, and it's actually what shows up on the blue line in the search results. And the thing is since most people are searching Charleston Tree Service, most time people are not making that congruent with what people are searching for. So Google likes to see that the city first and then the service that you're offering after that. You can put in a vertical line after that and put in the name of your company, or you've got 72 characters to play with to put in whatever you want after that. But it's really critical you have Charleston Tree Service if that's the area you're wanting to focus on and rank in. Mount Pleasant Tree Service, this would be great. And you probably rank on the first page for people that are searching Mount Pleasant Tree Service. So that is good for Mount Pleasant Tree Service. But we could add a page, or you can add a page on here and get it to rank for Charleston Tree Service. The other thing to look at is your heading tags, and this helps Google know what you're wanting to rank for. And currently you don't have any heading tags on your website, so that would be something to put in. You could put either that, there, or right in under here. You'd want Charleston Tree Service, and then you can put in some type of description or something after that. Best tree service in the area, something to that effect. So just wanted to throw those couple things out to you. Those are simple things that you can do yourself. If you'd like for us to help you out with them, just reply back to the email. Thanks. Have a good day.